This is LBC DWWC-DTV Channel 22, operating under 253.63 kilowatt effective radiated power, authorized by this license number, BSD 9350-2025 until December 31st, 2025. LBC 22 is owned by Lego Broadcasting Corporation and operated by Quality Network Incorporated. LBC studios are located in Panay Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. LBC transmitters are located in QTV Studios, Novaliches, Quezon City. LBC can be seen on various cable and satellite channels. LBC can be also seen on DTT Channel 22. Programs of LBC are supervised by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board and seen via satellite in 32 stations nationwide. This is LBC DWWC DTV Channel 22 now signing on.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Pagbabago dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong napaunlarin ang mahal nating bayan. Panahon na magbabago at iayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat lang maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin. Gawin ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikap ng mabuti at nang guminhawa tayo. Malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
Sa This is the start day of LBC2. This morning broadcast is LBC Breakfast with Sarah Jane.
Live on Broadcasting Center, this is LBC Breakfast.